installing the engine guards or leg guards. They're the factory Royal Enfield guards. They go on pretty easy, just 2 bolts on either side. You do have to kind of do some finagling and moving some other parts around to get, but you'll see when I show you the installation, it's not hard to do. So this bolt needs to loosen these header bolts, one on each side there, to allow your exhaust pipe to be pushed aside so you can get that bolt in. Otherwise it's really almost impossible to get it in. And then this bolt right here is actually a through bolt. It's a motor mount, and you need to loosen and pull that out completely. The motor won't move. There's obviously other bolts holding it in place. And so the other side is pretty straightforward. You got a bolt, same bolt on the other side. You don't have to do anything for that one, obviously. And the only thing you have to do with this one is kind of work around the oil cooler line. And you can see the bolt inside there behind it. So you just kind of have to work around that. Comes out pretty easy though. Overall, I think these are okay for the money. I think I only paid about $60 US, shipped from India. They're the factory part. I know pretty much like I said, any kind of good laydown, it's going to be, those are probably going to fold right up on you. But for a tip over or something, they should probably hold the bike up at least. And if, you know what, they bend and I got to replace them, I'm not out a lot of money. So they're worth trying. We'll see how they go. I'm sure their other markets are better, but most of them are up $200 or up. So if these don't work out, I'm not going to shed a tear if I have to throw them out.